हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स में लेक्चर नंबर 4 के यूनिट नंबर फर्स्ट का लेक्चर है। इसका टॉपिक है बेस थ्योरम। तो फर्स्ट टॉपिक, व्हाट इज़ द बेस थ्योरम? बेस थ्योरम describe the probability of occurrence of an event related to any condition. It is also considerable for the case of conditional probability. Bayes theorem is also known as the formula for the probability of causes. For example, if we have to calculate the probability of taking a blue ball from the second bag out of 3 different bags of balls, where each bag contains 3 different color balls, red, blue, black. In this case, the probability of occurrence of an event is calculated depending on other condition is known as conditional probability. In this article, let us discuss the statement and proof for Bayes theorem. What is the statement of Bayes theorem? Let E1, E2 up to En be a set of events associated with a sample space S, where all the events E1, E2 up to E have non-zero probability of occurrence and they form a partition of S. Let A be an event associated with S, then according to Bayes theorem, P EI upon A equals to P EI multiply P A upon EI, summation P E K P A upon EI upon summation P E K equals to 1 to N P E K multiply P A upon E K for any k equals to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Proof of this theorem. According to the conditional probability formula, P EI upon A equals to P EI intersection A multiply PA. Equation number 1. Using the multiplication rule of probability, P EI intersection A equals to PI multiply PA upon EI. Equation number 2. Using total probability theorem, PA equals to summation k equals to 1 to n P E K P A upon E K. Equation number 3. Putting the values from equation second and third in equation first, we get P E I upon A equals to P E I multiply P A upon E I upon summation k equals to 1 to n P E K upon P A upon E K. Note the following terminologies are also used when the Bayes theorem is applied. Hypothesis. The event E1, E2, En is called the hypothesis. Priori probability. The probability P E is considered as the prior probability of hypothesis E. Posteriori probability. The probability P E I upon A is considered as the posteriori probability of the hypothesis E. Now the Bayes theorem formula. If A and B are two events, then the formula for Bayes theorem is given by P A upon B equals to P A intersection B upon P, where P A upon B is the probability of condition when event A is occurring while event B has already occurred. P A upon B क्या है? कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी है जिसमें इवेंट एक ऑकर हो रही है और B ऑलरेडी ऑकर्ड हो चुकी है. P A intersection B is the probability of event A and event B. Event A और B की probability है and PB is the probability of event B. This way, Bayes theorem derivation. Bayes theorem can be derived for events and random variables separately using the definition of conditional probability and density. From the definition of conditional probability, Bayes theorem can be derived for event as given below. P A upon B equals to P A intersection B upon PB, where PB not equals to 0. P B upon A equals to P B upon A upon PA, where PA not equals to 0. Here the joint probability P A intersection B of both event A and B being thus such that P B intersection A equals to P A intersection B. P A intersection B equals to P A upon B into PB or P B upon A into PA. So P A upon B equals to P B upon A into PA upon PB, where PB not equals to 0. Similarly, from the definition of conditional density, Bayes theorem can be derived from the two continuous random variables, namely x and y, as given below. Fx upon y equals to yx, or fxy upon fy. Therefore, fx upon y equals to yx equals to fy upon x equals to fx into fy. Example and solutions. Example number 1. A bag contained 4 white, 6 black ball, while another bag second contained 4 white and 3 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be black. Find the probability that it was drawn from bag first. एक बैग है जिसमें 4 वाइट और 6 ब्लैक बॉल हैं और दूसरे बैग में 4 वाइट और 3 ब्लैक बॉल्स हैं। इनमें से एक बैग को चूज़ किया जाए रैंडमली और ये पाया जाए कि इसमें ब्लैक बॉल हैं, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है जो बैग वन में से निकाली गई है बॉल। लेट इवन बी द इवेंट ऑफ चूजिंग द बैग वन, E2 the event of choosing the bag second, and AB the event of drawing the black balls. The P even equals to P E2 equals to कितना हो जाएगा ये E1 और E2 की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि 4 हमें टोटल निकालनी है, तो कितनी हो जाएगी यदि हम E1 क्या है फर्स्ट वाला है और सेकंड वाला E2 है, तो ये वैल्यूज़ क्या हो जाएंगी 1/2, यानी दो बैगों में से एक बैग चूज करना, तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी 1/2 होगी। ऑल्सो P(a)(E1), P ड्राइंग ए ब्लैक बॉल फ्रॉम बैग वन, क्या आ जाएगी इसकी 6/10 यानी 3/5 जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, और P(a)(E2) हो जाएगी ड्राइंग ए ब्लैक बॉल फ्रॉम बैग सेकेंड 3/7। बाई यूजिंग बेस थ्योरम द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्राइंग ब्लैक बॉल फ्रॉम बैग फर्स्ट आउट ऑफ 2 बैग्स P(E1)(a) इक्वल्स टू P1 इंटू P(a)(E1) और प्लस P(E1) प्लस P(E2) इंटू P(a)(E2), मल्टीप्लाई क्या वैल्यू हो जाएगी इसकी 7/12। एग्जाम्पल 2, ए मैन इज नॉन टू स्पीक ट्रुथ 2 out of 3 times. He throw a die and report that the number obtained is a 4. Find the probability that number obtained is actually a 4. Solution. Let A be the event that the man report that number 4 is obtained. Let E1 be the event that 4 is obtained and E2 its complementary event. Then P1 equals to probability that 4 occurs, it is 1/6, and P2 equals to probability that 4 does not occur, 1 minus P1 यानी 1 minus 1/6, 5/6. Also P(a)(E1) equals to probability that man report 4 and it's actually a 4, 2/3, or P(a)(E2) equals to probability that man reports 4 and it is not a 4, 1/3. By using Bayes theorem, probably the number obtained is actually a 4. P(E1)(a) equals to P1 into P(a)(E1) plus P2 into P(a)(E2. This way we get 2/7 is the answer. Another practice problems. Solve the following problem using the Bayes theorem. First is, a bag contains 5 red and 6 black balls. A ball is drawn at random, its color is noted, and again the ball is returned to the bag. Also 2 additional balls of the color drawn are put in the bag. After that the ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the second ball drawn from the bag is red? ये बेस थ्योरम से होगा क्वेश्चन। सिमिलरली सेकंड है, ऑफ द स्टूडेंट इन द कॉलेज 60% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स reside in the hostel and 40% of the students are day scholar. Previous year result report that 30% of the students who stay in the hostel scored A grade and 20% of the student scholars scored A grade. At the end of the year, one student is chosen at random and found that he has A grade. What is the probability that student is hostler? Similarly, third है, from the pack of 52 cards, one card is lost. From the remaining cards of pack, 2 cards are drawn and both are found to be diamond card. What is the probability that the lost card being a diamond? इस तरह से ये क्वेश्चंस आपके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन ऑन बेस थ्योरम, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ बेस थ्योरम इन प्रोबेबिलिटी, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। हाउ इज़ बेस थ्योरम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। व्हेन कैन बी यूज बेस थ्योरम, कब यूज़ कर सकते हैं बेस थ्योरम को, और व्हाट इज़ द फार्मूला फॉर बेस थ्योरम, ये डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं। वेयर कैन बी यूज बेस थ्योरम इज द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो इट्स कंप्लीट द लेक्चर। थैंक यू।